Now you're out in Cabo, hanging with your brother, wishing that I was your bridal, so I could be close to your lips again. I know you didn't call your parents and tell them that we ended, cause you know that they'd be a fan.
Hello mommies! Welcome back to my channel. Today, papakita ko po sa inyo ang aking morning routine para sa isang work-at-home mom kagaya ko. 2 years na po ako nag-work from home ever since nung nabuntis ako with my baby, and now my baby is 10 months old. And today, I'm excited to share with you this video because this is actually a collaboration with a company called Acadsoc. Kung hindi nyo pa po alam kung ano yung Acadsoc, Acadsoc is an international online tutoring company with more than 100,000 Chinese learners who wants to master the English language. Ang love ko about Acadsoc is number 1, yung working opportunity na provide nila for us stay-at-home moms, and actually pwede rin siya sa mga students, working students, undergrads, or fresh graduates, or people who just want to earn extra income. Gusto ko rin sa kanya, it's flexible working hours, which means pwede kang magtrabaho kung anong time slot ang gusto mo, ang pipiliin mo, o hindi ka na kailangan mag-commute para magtrabaho sa work. At saka isa pa, nababantayan mo yung mga baby, nasa bahay ka lang din. You're comfortable in your own home and you are earning money even though na nasa bahay ka lang. Ang gusto ko rin sa kanya, number 2, is it's a very stable company. Okay. So, they started here in the Philippines only last 2015. And ever since then, they have grown up to 4,200 home-based tutors here in the Philippines, and they're still growing in numbers right now. They also have the opportunity, if you want to work for them sa office nila, you could also do that. Pero this video is mainly I'm sharing for people who wants to work from home. And last but not the least, ang gusto ko sa Acadsoc, they have very easy requirements wherein pwede kang makapag-apply agad. Ang requirements nila is at least high school graduate. You are fluent in English with a neutral accent. Kailangan lang energetic, responsible, and patient ka na teacher. Willing to learn and undergo trainings and improve yourself. And last but not least, you need to have a reliable workstation with stable internet and power supply. If you want to check out Acadsoc, check out the links down below. I'm gonna put here in the description box of this video para makapag-apply na rin kayo agad-agad if yan ang gusto nyo. So with all that said, let's go ahead and start with the video.
So we start our morning at 6 AM when River wakes up. So I will take him outside the bedroom and change his diaper kasi punong-puno ng diaper. This is my favorite part of the day because he's always such in a good mood and always smiling. But the changing of the diaper, guys, is a real struggle. Makikita nyo dito. Kasi nagpupumiglas siya, ayaw niya magpa-change ng diaper. Nag-iiyak-iyak pa yan pag time na mag-change ng diaper niya. Usually, nakakalma siya pag meron siyang hinahawakan or nilalaruan, na lotion or basket. And then, I will let him play a little bit para makapag-practice din siya ng kanyang pagko-crawl-crawl and motor skills niya. Habang ako naman ay magpe-prepare na ng aming breakfast. For River, usually yung breakfast niya is oatmeal with fruits. And for us naman, we will prepare egg, hotdog, and bread. So, usually lalabas na yan si Dada to play with River, and siya na rin yung nagbabantay sa kanya habang ako yung nagpe-prepare ng breakfast. Dito sa video na to, River is learning how to climb up the sofa. Oh my God! He's growing up so fast. I can't believe na kaya na niyang umakyat sa sofa on his own. And whenever I get the chance, kung si Dada ay nagwa-watch kay River, I will make sure na maayos yung aming kwarto. Especially for me na I work from home, mas maganda na maayos yung bahay. At least hindi kalat, hindi rin magulo yung pag-iisip mo. Nakakapag mas focus ka kung anong kailangan mong gawin, and you feel so much better. So for Dada and I make sunny side egg. And then, I want to make this Thai tea for today na nilalagyan ng kondensada. This is my favorite drink. And yun, habang ako ay nagagawa ng breakfast, may maliit, bulilit na gustong umakyat naman sa aking legs. He's so cute. How can you resist this baby kung ganyan siya maglambeng, di ba? So, I will take him with me habang inaayos ko yung aming drink for the morning. Ayan. And he loves watching what we do. And ayun, dumating si Dada para kunin siya at mas makapag-focus si Mama sa kanyang kondensada with Thai tea. Yes! Yeah! Happiness in a teapot. Oh yeah, more. Minsan nasasobrahan siya, honestly. So, this will wake me up in the morning. And yung hotdog natin, yung ating bread na pang breakfast ni Mama and Dada. So, this is our finished breakfast. I just put it in one plate para mas konti ang hugasan. And nagsishare na lang kami ni Dada. And for River, we have oatmeal. And for today, I made some fruits for him, cut out apples together with his 100% apple juice na nasa sippy cup niya. He loves doing this in the morning. Nagpupulot-pulot siya. Yan. Ngayon kasi nagtititing siya, so he loves chewing on apples. Hindi niya naman nilulunok, pero inaano niya lang yung gilagid niya dyan sa apple na yan. Gustong-gusto niya. And whenever he takes a break, I make sure na papasukan ko siya ng oatmeal. Ayun. Such a good eater naman ngayon. Wala masyadong struggle, basta meron siyang pinagkakaabalahan. Also, Mommy needs to eat her breakfast. Habang si River ay nagpupulot ng kanyang apple. Kain naman tayo. A few days back, River learned how to sip on his sippy cup. So, I'm so proud of him. Tuwang-tuwa ako na marunong na siya mag-sip-sip ng kanyang sippy cup. Gustong-gusto niya pag juice. Pag water, ayaw niyang sinisip-sip. Medyo wais din tong baby na to.
Ang dungis ko na. Ang dungis ko na. Hi. Nagsusulit.
At time ni River, I made it so na after siya ng breakfast kasi usually pag breakfast madumi siya dahil sa kinain niya. And in this particular video, nagpapasikat ata at may surprise siya kay Mama. So, change na rin natin yung diaper niya before siya mag-tulog. So, usually, unahin ko yung head niya. Shampoo ko muna yung hair niya. And then, after that, dyan na natin lilinisin ng kanyang body. I still use this bathtub na ginagamit namin nung newborn siya. Ang kulit niya, hawak siya ng hawak sa floor. Kahit na pagbawalan mo, ipupush niya pa rin ang paghahawak niya sa floor. So, ayan. He likes bath time naman. Hindi naman siya masyado nagpupumiglas. And, ayun. He's clean na. Yay! And after ligo, balik naman tayo sa ating struggle na siya ay bihisan, lagyan ng lotion, mansanilya, diaper, at damit. Ayan. And he's trying to escape from me. And after that, celebrate your little success. Kasi that's very important, mga mommies.
Pati yung na-OOTD mo. You're wearing sando and pajama. Diva pak. Play ka muna dyan sa crib. Play ka muna dyan. Oh, play ka sa crib.
So, by 8 o'clock, nakakain at nakaligo na si River and he's playing on his crib. I will be just in front of him, watching him while I do some work on my computer in the morning. So, this is my view while I'm working. Ang kulit-kulit niya. He plays na on his own at nagpapaantok. So, by the time na antok na siya, I'm gonna be breastfeeding him. Pero as of now, tatabihan ko lang siya para hindi siya masyadong mag-iiyak-iyak. Masyadong clingy ang baby namin, so gusto niya lagi siyang may kasama. Kahit na naglalaro siya. So after about an hour, iiyak-iyak na yan si River, so I will play with him before ko siya patulugin para antok na talaga siya that time. And by the time na iyak-tawa na yung kanyang mga moves, it's time to breastfeed him. So I usually play music, yan, sa radyo, and then skincare products. Okay, so I use clears, mostly toner, vitamin C serum, moisturizer, eye lift cream, then magbibihis na ako, comb my hair, and do a little bit of makeup, Bello tinted sunscreen, Naturactor, and use my damp beauty blender to blend it, and I'm gonna use Coty Airspun to bake my face, then I'm gonna use Anastasia Deep Brow to do my eyebrows. So, ayan. Brush mo muna siya, and then, yun. Takes a little bit of practice, pero once you're used to doing your own kilay, sobrang mabilis na lang siya. I love using this product from BLK kasi most tints, pag nilalagay mo siya sa upper lips, sa akin, sa upper lips, nawawala siya. But for BLK, pigmented siya. Meron pa rin natitirang color sa upper lips. Yan. And I also like sa cheek, napaka-natural yung tingnan. And just put some mascara. And this is our 5-minute makeup look for today. Yay! Alright, so 10:30, gising na si River. Ito ang kanyang just woke up look. At iiyak yan dahil hahanapin niya ako. So, he likes to hang out with me talaga all the time. Kaya ganyan. Sanay na sanay siya, tabi niya lang ako palagi. And I will let him play a little bit more. Kasi, mommy needs to do some more work habang siya ay naglalaro. So that's it guys, that's our morning routine. Usually, ganun siya. And minsan nag-iiba-iba siya. If may sakit si River, he's eating, or we have to go outside. Pero most days, ganun nga. Ngayon, nag-ready na kami for lunch. So, hindi na siya kasali sa morning routine. Pero yun nga, that's how we end our morning routine. Preparing for lunch na. And si River is naglalaro.
Thank you so much for watching today's morning routine video. Don't forget to check out Acadsoc. Their links will be down below. And make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!
What are you doing, River? What you doing po? You like that balls? Ba't nasa labas na? Ay, nako, tinatapon po pala niya. Ano yun? Tinatapon mo po yung balls? Tinatapon mo po yung balls? Ay, yun ang gusto niya. Nagtatapon ng balls. Success!